winning medals for peace. We are about testing our strength, discipline, and perseverance while upholding the values of fairness, respect, and teamwork.
Feel the fear in my enemy's eyes. Listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. One minute I held the key. Next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you've gone it was never, never an honest word. And that was when I ruled the world.
This is a time when we build friendship, cheer over one another, and hope that unity is our biggest strength. Whether on the court, in the field, or in the hearts of every Sanay learner, to our dear teachers, coaches, thank you for guiding and motivating our student athletes. To our parents and stakeholders, we appreciate your unending support and encouragement. And to our students, this is your moment. Play hard, play fair, and give your best. Remember, victory is greater when it's achieved